If you want to reset your Windows 11 laptop and make it feel like new again, this tutorial will show you exactly how to factory reset your PC step by step. First, open the Start menu and search for Search. Now, open Settings and click on System from the left side. Scroll down a bit and select Recovery. Under the Reset This PC section, click on Reset PC. Now, you'll see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If you choose Keep My Files, Windows 11 will keep your personal files like photos, videos, and documents, but it will remove installed apps and reset system settings. If you select Remove Everything, your entire PC will be wiped, including files, apps, and settings. This option is best if you're selling or giving away your laptop. Next, choose how you want to reinstall Windows 11. You can select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Local Reinstall is usually faster because it uses files already stored on your computer. You can also open Change Settings if you want more reset options. After that, click Next. Windows will now show you what will happen during the reset, including which apps will be removed. If everything looks good, click Reset to start the Windows 11 factory reset process. Your computer will restart several times, and once it's finished, your PC will be reset like new again. And that's how to reset a Windows 11 laptop easily.